If you don't like heavy makeup, but still want to look fab, then follow these 5 quick steps for a flawless look. Start with Maybelline Dream Fresh BB Cream SPF 30. It moisturizes, protects with SPF 30, and gives your skin a natural glow. Next, grab NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Dab under your eyes, around your nose, and on any blemishes. Blend for a smooth, radiant finish. Now, add some color with Glossier Cloud Paint in Dusk. Dab on your cheeks and lips for a soft, natural touch. Shape those brows with Benefit Gimme Brow Plus Gel. Brush upwards for fuller, well-defined brows. Finally, enhance your lashes with L'Oréal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. Apply a coat for volume and length. And voila! Flawless makeup with just 5 products. Like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.